How to fix Cash App Invalid Zip Code error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Cash App Invalid Zip Code error. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Cash App. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on a device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Cash App application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And your Cash App should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix Cash App Invalid Zip Code error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel, Lock and Shines, for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.